Hello everyone, it's Chris Ogg, and during the week there was an announcement that there will be a snowstorm. And actually, it's been fucking snowing since morning. It's been snowing heavily, and I have been home. I have done a lot of eating. I have slept like a pig. I have done practices. I've watched movies on Netflix, and right now I just want to go for a walk and stretch my body and also see if the world is still alive. Or am I the only one in the world has the snow the whole world? Has it swallowed the whole world? And here I am in the elevator, and I'll be so happy and amazing to see humans like me and not maybe a snow alien. I'm just gonna run away. Here I am taking some selfie, being hopeful. And someone came into the elevator with me, and I was so glad and amazing to see somebody. They're so awesome. And here we go to go see the snowstorm. Oh my goodness. This is a lot. This is a lot of snow. Oh, look at that pretty baby in the snow. When I tell you it's been snowing since morning, it's been fucking snowing heavily since morning. Through my window, I could see that the snow was covering some cars downstairs, and maybe it's also been covering some houses. Yeah, it's a lot of snow. Anyway, have fun and enjoy the movie.
Stop. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.